Want to make a whole load of minor seventh chords using just one guitar chord shape? Of course you do. So check this short video out. This is the A minor seventh chord shape, but did you know that this is a chord shape that you can actually move up and down the fretboard? So here's the A minor 7 shape, and you can see the finger positions in the diagram. And here we are at the open position playing the top 5 strings. Now, if you move this shape up, it will give you B flat minor 7 or A sharp minor 7. If you move it up one more, you get B minor 7. If you move it up one more, you get C minor 7. Now between B minor 7 and C minor 7, there is no sharp or flat chord. Going up one more fret, we now have a C sharp minor 7 or D flat minor 7. And one more fret, which takes us to the 6th fret, this gives us a D minor 7. Now you can keep going, but check the description down below for the rest of the chord names. One thing you have to do though when you're playing this chord shape is mute strings. Now in the open position you can play the top 5 strings, A, D, G, B and E. You can play those, your thumb is generally muting the 6th string. But once you move up the fretboard, that's when you need to make sure that the 5th string here is also muted. And there are 2 ways of doing this, and you can either use your 2nd finger to kind of gently touch the string, or you can wrap your thumb around a little bit more and mute the 2 strings like that. I generally favour using the 2nd finger to mute the strings. Now this little chord shape can be very effective, and it's an easier way of playing minor 7ths, C minor 7th or C sharp minor 7th, than trying to use a full bar chord. Of course, as I said before, you can go all the way up and play different minor 7th chords, and let's say when you get up to here you've got an F sharp minor 7. However, there is an easier way you can do that, and if you want to find out, tap or click the screen and I'll see you in that video. Thanks for watching, happy strumming.